Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make onion powder. So if you want to see how I made it, keep watching. So this is the onion I will use to make the onion powder. So I'll go ahead and remove the back. See my people, it's very important to have onion powder in your kitchen. There is this taste and flavor it adds to the food. Also, for those of us or our children that don't like seeing onion in their food, this is also another way to make them eat onion. So that's just it. So after removing the bag, I went ahead to wash it. Make sure you wash it properly. After washing it, then just go ahead and start slicing. When slicing, make sure you are slicing it tiny, not like tiny, like very flat. You can see the way it is, very flat and slim. So that's just it. We want it to dry. So that's just it. Make sure you slice it the way it will easily get dry. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a tray, put it in a tray, and then sun dry it. Sun dry. You can actually use your dehydrator to dry it. So you can either sun dry or use your dehydrator. For me, I do not have a dehydrator, so I went ahead to sun dry my own. After sun drying, this is what I have. I dried for about 3 to 4 days. Where I stay, we have excess of sun, excess of sun. So that's just it. After that, I went ahead to blend it. Just blend it very well. After blending, this is what I have. So the final stage now is just to go ahead and sieve it. You can actually decide not to sieve yours, but me, I prefer sieving mine because I want to have a fine onion powder. So you can see it. So that's just it. Our onion powder is ready. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like and share with your friends. Like, come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.